Hey everyone, welcome back to RZN Auto, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the car world. Today, we're diving into the freshly updated 2026 Nissan Qashqai. And let me tell you, Nissan's best-selling SUV just got a serious glow-up. With sharper styling, upgraded tech and refined performance, the Qashqai proves that you don't need to break the bank to get a smart, stylish and efficient compact SUV. Let's start with the exterior, because the new Qashqai definitely knows how to make an entrance. At the front, you'll notice the redesigned V-motion grille, now more open and angular, giving the car a bolder, more confident face. The new LED headlights are slimmer and more sculpted, flanked by sleek daytime running lights that stretch across the edges for a futuristic touch. Down low, the bumper's been refreshed with sharper lines and sportier detailing, especially noticeable on the end design trim, which comes with gloss black elements for extra attitude. Swing around to the rear and you'll find redesigned LED taillights with a 3D lighting effect that gives the Qashqai a premium look, along with a cleaner tailgate and a subtly sportier rear bumper. From the side, the silhouette remains sleek and well-proportioned, with new alloy wheel designs up to 20 inches and bold character lines that add motion even when parked. It's compact, but it doesn't look small, and it definitely doesn't look boring. Step inside and Nissan has really pushed the Qashqai forward in terms of interior design and tech. You're greeted by a more upscale dashboard layout, with a new 12.3-inch touchscreen running Nissan's latest infotainment software. It's quicker, sharper, and finally offers Google built-in, so things like Google Maps and Assistant are seamlessly integrated. The digital driver display is just as impressive, and higher trims even get a new ambient lighting system that elevates the cabin vibe. Materials are soft touch where it counts, and Nissan has done a great job reducing button clutter while keeping physical controls for key functions like climate. Space-wise, the Qashqai still excels. Plenty of headroom, a surprisingly roomy backseat, and a class-leading cargo area with a flexible floor system that makes it ultra-practical for everyday use. Under the hood, the 2026 Qashqai continues with its e-Power hybrid system in many markets, combining a petrol engine with an electric motor that drives the wheels directly. That means smoother, EV-like acceleration without ever needing to plug in. It's efficient, responsive, and delivers a quiet, refined drive, especially around town. For other regions, a mild hybrid version is available with Nissan's trusty 1.3-litre turbocharged engine, offering a great balance of performance and fuel economy. And regardless of the setup, the Qashqai handles beautifully, nimble in the city, confident on the highway, and surprisingly fun to drive for a family SUV. So, the 2026 Nissan Qashqai may not be trying to reinvent the wheel, but it polishes what was already great. Sleeker styling, smarter tech, and hybrid efficiency, all wrapped up in a practical, well-built package. It's easy to see why this SUV remains a bestseller. What do you think? Has Nissan done enough to keep the Qashqai on top? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe to RZN Auto, and tap that notification bell so you never miss the latest in the auto world. Thanks for watching.